Good Friday afternoon to you. This weather video is driven by 802cars.com, representing 802 Toyota, Twin Cities Subaru, and 802 Honda. They're all located off of Exit 7 on Interstate 89. You're looking at the GOES 16 product. This is the new satellite with great detail and the visible satellite output. Right now you can see some old thunderstorm activity working through. This is exited far off. We have a cumulus field starting to develop with increasing amounts of sunshine as the warmer air is streaming in on a southwesterly wind. You can see this action right here with a warm front roughly through this region here. First things first, let's look at the short range ensemble forecast model that Storm Prediction Center uses, and you can see this is the probability of severe thunderstorms 3 hours prior to what is 15Z, which is 11 o'clock this morning. We haven't seen any severe weather here, so you can probably downplay this a little bit. This is how it shapes up for the next 3-hour segment. That's through 1 o'clock. And then finally increasing there by 21Z, which is 5 o'clock this evening. Note, northern Vermont, northern New Hampshire under the gun here. I would suspect there will be some isolated, perhaps widely scattered wind gusts associated. Also very heavy rainfall and also some fairly intense lightning. Let's take a look at that right now. Okay, this is valid this morning around 8 o'clock. 100 cloud-to-ground strokes or better. And you can see that that moves mainly into the northern half of the state, and that's basically what has been happening, although we have not seen a tremendous amount of lightning, so this can be downplayed as well. So models are a little bit too robust on this action, and this is valid through 5 o'clock this evening, and then finally 8 o'clock this evening. And this is a convective available potential energy, and you can see that it's on the increase here. This is valid 1 o'clock, there's 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4, 5, 6. Now when you see it decreasing here, this is where thunderstorms more than likely are forming. And this is through 6 o'clock this evening. And there's 7 o'clock. Here's the storm play out right now. This is noon, and that's mostly lifted north of the Canadian border. And we have new development off of, it looks like coming off the eastern Adirondacks through the area that's been hard hit with some pretty heavy rain earlier on this morning. And that sweeps through. This is roughly 6 o'clock, and this is through 7 o'clock. And you can see most of that action moves north and east. There'll be another round moving through. It looks like somewhere around midnight or into the early morning hours on Saturday, and that'll be the last of it. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights.